Former Talking Heads frontman David Byrne is back on Broadway. CNN's Chloe Malas talked with Byrne about his new show that puts theatergoers on a dance floor.
That's right. There is a new Broadway musical here in New York City called Here Lies Love. It's from David Byrne, who you probably know from his days as the frontman for the Talking Heads. And he spoke to me about why he was intrigued about the life of Imelda Marcos, the First Lady of the Philippines, and why he wanted to turn it into a musical. Take a listen.
I had an idea of doing some kind of musical narrative show in a disco, in a dance club. And I wondered, could you do a thing where the audience is dancing and grooving and they're somehow getting a story at the same time? When I read that Imelda Marcos loved going to discos, she went to Studio 54, she turned the roof of the Malacañang Palace in Manila into a kind of dance club. I knew that she and her husband ran a dictatorship for many, many years. And so I thought, this is a person who's kind of outrageous, somewhat despicable, but also charming. And I thought, and maybe that world, the world of a dance club where everybody, it's very kind of hedonistic and slightly decadent, is kind of the way it feels if you're a person in power like that. I'm old enough that the Broadway musicals were like Sound of Music and My Fair Lady and things like that, which amazing songs. But I didn't see myself working exactly in that tradition. I wanted to bring the music that I knew, the kind of music that I did, the kind of things that I loved. And I thought, why can't we do that on Broadway? And well, turns out it's possible. But yeah, but it's unusual.
So you actually feel like you're in the show. They include the audience. It's this immersive experience. And a lot of that has to do with this sound system called L-Acoustics, and Adele and others use it. And you really feel like you are one with these characters. And it makes for such a fun experience. Back to you.
All right. Sounds great. Thanks, Chloe. Really appreciate it. All right.